In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make real-time sign-up lists using Microsoft Forms. If you've ever needed a live roster for events, volunteers, or training sessions, this workflow gives you a clean form on the front end and an always up-to-date Excel list on the back end. All you need is access to OneDrive or a SharePoint document library in your Microsoft 365 environment. Start by opening OneDrive or navigating to the SharePoint site where you want this list to live. This is important because the Excel file you create here will store the responses and make sharing with your team simple. Create a new Excel workbook. This opens Excel for the web. Inside the workbook, go to the Insert tab. From there, choose Forms, then pick New Form. Excel will automatically create a connected Microsoft form and link it to a table in your workbook. To design it, click Open Form. This takes you into the form editor where you'll build the sign-up experience. Give your form a clear, descriptive name. That name not only helps respondents understand what they're signing up for, it also confirms the binding between the form and the spreadsheet so every response lands in the correct file. Now add your questions using the Add New button. Include fields for name and email as text-based questions so you can contact people later. Then add any choice-based items you need, such as selecting a session, a role, or a time slot. Consider making key questions required so you don't end up with incomplete signups. For choice questions, you can switch between multiple choice and drop-down to keep the form compact and allow multiple answers if participants can pick more than one option. Keep labels short and consistent. This becomes your column headers in Excel. As soon as people start filling out the form, watch the Excel workbook update in real time. Each submission appears as a new row in the linked table with columns that match your questions. You can sort, filter, or build simple summaries right in Excel while responses continue to flow in. When you're ready to invite signups, use the Collect Responses option in the form. Share the link directly, send it by email, or download a QR code for posters and slides. Pick the sharing setting that fits your scenario, whether that's anyone with the link or only people in your organization. And that's it. You now have a polished form tied to a live Excel list, perfect for tracking signups as they happen and keeping your team aligned without manual data entry.